Hi, lovely people. How are you? Well, if you read from my description, I'm going to be unboxing the June 2018 Allure. And I am so excited about this month. I do know what's in here, and I am so excited. This is probably one of the best boxes we got, except for I believe in December. It was curated by Jaclyn Hill. That was a good box, but I think this one is actually even better. This is curated by Kat Von D. So, and I just love her products. So if you don't know, this is a $15 a month subscription, but they do tax. So I live in New Jersey, so I get taxed 99 cents. So it comes to $15.99 every month, so about $16. And it usually comes in like a little red box with white letters that say Allure, and usually the box is bigger. But if you guys know Kat Von D, she likes to do all her own artwork with all her cosmetics. And so that's why the box is black. And I really like this black box, to be honest. I like it a lot better than the red. So without further ado, let's just get started. All right, so when you open it up, it comes with a pamphlet. Now, of course, it has Kat Von D, but it usually has a beautiful person on there with like gorgeous skin. And what this pamphlet does, it tells you what everything is, what it would be full size, where you can get it at, and tells you a little bit about each product. So it came in with like this gold kind of like tissue paper. Well, not kind of, it is a gold tissue paper. All right. And when you open the box, that's what it looks like. So, let me go to the first page. Okay, so the first thing, we got a sample of the Kat Von D. Well, I'm going to keep saying Kat Von D. It's all Kat Von D, well, except for one thing. This is the sample size of the tattoo liner in Trooper Black. This would be $20 if it was full size, and where you can buy it at is the Kat Von D. You can also get it like Sephora and stuff like that. But if you enter Allure 18 at the Kat Von D at the checkout, you receive 2 free mini everlasting liquid lipsticks in Exorcism and Naz for Atu when you spend $50. So Allure 18. I've never tried this liquid liner. I love liquid liner. Actually, I have a little bit on top right here. I believe it's the Almay one. And I don't want to open this up because I have a few that's already open, but I have been dying to try this. So I am so excited. I just didn't want to pay $20 for like a liquid eyeliner because I don't wear it every day. When I do, I only wear it up on top. I don't do wing eyeliner because I'm just not good at it. So I'm going to definitely give this a gander when I, probably in another few weeks, one of them should be done. And I cannot wait to try this. So I am excited about that. All right. The next thing we got is, what is this? This is a lip liner in Lolita. And this is $18. I believe this is full size. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe this is full size. That's what she looks like. I don't know if I showed you what this looks like because I'm just so excited. There we go. All right, so like this would be $18, and if you enter Allure 18, you can receive 2. Okay, the same thing, the same lipsticks. And can I get this open? Okay. I have never tried their lip liners, so let's take, I'm going to do a little swatch. You guys can see. And let's see. Oh, that is really creamy, and that's what it looks like. And because I knew we were getting this, I do have the not liquid lipstick, the lipstick in Lolita right here, if you guys can see. Lip focus. There we go. And let me swatch it next to it and see the color difference. Okay, so this lipstick here is a little bit lighter than the lip liner. But that's okay, because when you do a lip liner, you want to kind of get most of your lips. Anyway, you just don't want to do the outline and then put this on, because then you can kind of, in the 90s, that was the style, but not anymore. So this is really pretty. I am so excited to try that on my lips. Okay, the next thing, it's so funny, we have a mini size of the cream lipstick in Double Dare, and this would be $19 if it's full size. And of course, the same thing, enter Allure 18 for the same thing. And it says Double Dare. I so cute. And when you get a little lipstick like this, it looks so small, but actually, you know, it takes us a long time to go through lipstick. So this is like perfect. And look how cute that is. Look at the size difference. That is just so cute. I could put this right in my pocketbook. Oh my God. And that might look small, but that's really a lot of lipstick. So let's swatch this. I don't think I have this. This looks like almost the color of Lolita. So there's Double Dare. That's so funny. Let me swatch it underneath Lolita, and let's see. So this is Daredevil right here, and that's Lolita. So Lolita is only a little bit darker. It's really pretty. This is more like redder, where the Lolita is more like a brownish red. All right, moving on. Okay, the next thing we got is from All Henson. This is, I believe this is full size. This is $28, and this is the Transforming Walmart Scrub. So this is like a facial exfoliator. It's made with walnuts, shells, which only sounds gritty. It says the ingredients have been ground into a fine powder, so the scrub spreads on smoothly and rinses off easily without making your skin red or irritated in the slightest. Let's see if it has a safety seal. Yeah, it does have a safety seal. So I'm really excited to try this. That's what I like about Allure. Allure is $15, but you can get full-size products. And I mean, 1 month we got a full size of the Sunday Riley vitamin C thing, which is like $85. I really, really like Allure. And last but not least, we got a little mirror. I believe there's a variation with this box. You could have either got the mirror or the mini size perfume. You could have either got the state or the center. So I'm glad I got this little mirror. And there we go. And I won't turn it around because I don't want to blind you, but it's on the other side, it's just the mirror. And that looks pretty dang good. I like the mirror. The mirror is very, very clear. And I could keep this out here because, as you guys know, I always forget to bring a mirror and I'm trying things on and, you know, I'm like, oh, I don't have a mirror. So that is nice. This is really pretty. And this is $18. And I guess this is full. No, I don't know if this is full size or not, but if this is full size, $18 is a lot for this little thing. So I don't know if it comes bigger and it's $18. I don't know. And again, Allure 18. So if you just use Allure 18 on the whole website, Surmise and the Kat Von D Beauty, you can get 2 free liquid lipsticks, the mini size. So we got the lip liner in Lolita. We got a mini size lipstick in Double Dare. We got the All Henderson. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And we got the the mirror. And we got the Trooper. So I am so excited. This is probably the best box, I think, in my opinion, that we got so far. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Is this your favorite box? What do you think of it? If not, what was your favorite box that you can remember that you got? And what do you think of Allure? Allure is in my top 3 subscription boxes now. I think for the price and what you get with the prices, I mean, it's really, really up there. So I will leave the link down below if you want to check Allure out. It is not a referral link. It'll just take you right to the site. And guys, don't forget to please like this video and consider subscribing to me. I would really appreciate it. Our channel is growing and it's so exciting. And leave a comment down below. Let me get to know you if you're new to my channel. All right, guys, I will leave some videos right here. You just click on them if you want to see more of me. And then you will see like a little face right here. You just click that if you want to subscribe to make it easier. All right, guys, until my next video. Bye.